Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss different ways of executing a Python program. So I'm going to discuss three of them. So the first one is in interactive mode where you write a program and execute it. We do it in a command prompt. For this, you need to install Python in your device. In my device, it is already installed. If you don't have Python in your device, I've given a link in description box. You can install using that link. Now I'll show the example. Now I'll open my command prompt. Here I'll type Python. Now I'll type my Python code. As you can see, this is successfully executed. Now the second one is using script mode where you execute an already saved Python program, that you have written a Python program in Notepad or any text editor, and then you go to a command prompt, navigate to that file, and then you type Python, that file name .py. I'll show the example. As you can see on my desktop, there is a file name ex. This is a Python file. I'll just open this file and show the code to you. This is a simple print statement which prints code with SP. Now I'll navigate to my command prompt. From here I'll navigate to desktop as that file is saved in desktop. So now I'll type Python, the file name .py command. So this got executed successfully. Now the third one is online Python interpreter. You can just type online Python interpreter in Google and Google will result in many such interpreters for you. I'll show that to you. I'll just type online Python interpreter. And there are many. Just I'll show this to you. This one. Yeah. Hello world has got printed. This one. I'll just type, sorry, print. I'll just run this. Yeah, you can see. So if you don't have laptop or desktop, or you don't want to install Python, you can go for this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.